Thutha wa gutiriha igeranio cia KCPE kiumia kihituku, arutwo a kirathi gia kanana mwaka wa 2021 matigũkorwo na ihinda iraya rĩa gweterera maumirira mao. Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite mihang'o iria tigarĩrĩire ya kumaka kigeranio giki ikuoya ihinda rĩa thikũ 5 tu, maumirira magitanywo kiumia giukite.
So we are still working with sometime next week, anytime between Wednesday and Saturday, depending on His Excellency the President's availability. We should be able to tell our children how they have performed.
Kwanirirwo tene kwa maumirira ma igeranio ici gutanyitwo guteithĩrĩria aciari gwĩbanga kĩmũhuko, kuona megũkorwo na ihinda rĩa mweri ũmwe tu mbere ya arutwo maingĩrĩte thukuru-ini cia secondary.
And I think this is good so that the parents can start planning for them. I want to sympathize with our parents who have done an extremely good job during a pandemic which they did not bring themselves, and also to thank the teachers for allowing those children who are unable to complete their fees to come and do the exams.
Magoha ekwaragia o mwena wa Kayole Nairobi kuria eguthiete kunyabara kigeranio gia KCSE kiria kirathie na mbere na kuhingura irathi cia CBC iria irarikirira mihariria-ini ma kwamukira arutwo a junior high mwaka ukite.
I've been told here they are doing reasonably well, and they are assuring me I'll come back again to open some on Saturday. That's what is happening across the nation. There are many counties that are going to complete during this weekend, and I'm hoping that by the end of this month we shall have completed the 6,490 classrooms that form phase 1 of this project. We are going to break it here.
Hadini Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawadurwa.